I am going to explain chemistry practical of class 12. Experiment number 1. Preparation of 250 milliliter M by 20 oxalic acid solution. This is the standard solution. I am going to prepare and demonstrate and explain about 250 milliliter M by 20 oxalic acid solution. Now, M by 20 is the strength of the oxalic acid. So, it is called standard solution. A standard solution is the solution whose strength is known. So, known strength is M by 20. Now, theory. Molecular formula. Molecular formula is COOH single bond COOH dot 2H2O. Its molecular mass is 126 gram. Now, how will calculate to prepare 250 milliliter M by 20 oxalic acid solution? 1 molar solution. That means a solution which contains 1 mole in 1 liter. 1 liter means 1000 milliliter. This means 1000 milliliter M solution. This means 1000 milliliter M oxalic acid solution contains 126 gram oxalic acid. So, 250 milliliter M by 20 oxalic acid solution contains 126 by 20 into 250 by 1000. This will come 1.575 gram. This is the exact value. Now, I have to take 1.575 gram oxalic acid on a watch glass with the help of electronic balance. Now, I am going to demonstrate this. This is oxalic acid. I have taken in China dish oxalic acid. Now I have to start electronic balance. This is 0. .56. This is 1.56. नहीं आएगा वो 1.56. This is oxalic acid. It should be transferred into a beaker. Now it should be washed completely.
Sound must be very clear.
Not a single drop, not a single particle of oxalic acid should be on the watch glass. All the particles of oxalic acid transferred into the beaker. This is distilled water. Now I am preparing solution. Funnel.
How much water is to be added in this?
250 milliliter.
Okay.
Now at first there will be less amount, that is 50, 100. Now pour the solution with the help of glass rod and funnel in 250 milliliter measuring glass. Pour some water. This is distilled water. We have to make the volume up to 250 milliliter This is the mark of the 250 milliliter measuring flask. Water should be going slowly. Volume will be 250 milliliter exactly. Not a single drop should be less, or water should be up to mark. Last drop should be added very carefully. Funnel should be out of the flask, as it may increase the volume of the solution. Now, while adding the last drop, lower meniscus should be seen. Lower meniscus should be seen. For this should be in the line of eye and lower meniscus should be in a single line, straight line, and the lower meniscus should be touched to the mark. Now 250 milliliter M by 20 solution is prepared.